Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be talking about humans and microorganisms and why are these two correlated with each other. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video. So basically, as I told you earlier, that microorganisms are present anywhere and everywhere around us. In the same way, the microorganisms are also present in the human body. So in today's video, I will be talking exactly about that. I will tell you what are the microorganisms living inside the human body known as. The human body is inhabited by millions and millions of microorganisms. They live everywhere in your body, be it on your surface of your skin, be it in your nose, in your mouth, and as well as the most important place is your guts. But what are these microorganisms that live inside of your body or on your body known as? Right? Because microorganisms that live in different conditions, different temperature conditions, have different kind of names so that we can recognize that these microorganisms belong to a certain group of organisms that are present in a particular area. In the same way, the microorganisms that live inside the human body are known as the human microbiota. Correct? So the microorganisms that live inside the human body are known as the human microbiota. So how did we acquire this human microbiota? Or when did we get these inside our body or on the surfaces of our body? So the human microbiota was first acquired by the human body when during birth as well as during the first formative years of life. So you have inherited this human microbiota. During your birth, it is passed on from your mother to you during the process of giving birth, as well as during the first formative years, that is from the years from 1 to 5, you have inhabited these microorganisms which are known as the human microbiota. As everything you do or everything you have has a reason, correct? So why did we acquire this human microbiota during the first formative years of life? Or why do we need this human microbiota? We need to understand that the human microbiota help in the healthy growth as well as they protect the body from the invaders that try to enter the system and start an infection. It also is helpful in the digestion of food, as I told you that this human microbiota are also specially found in a very important area, that is in your guts, by which these microorganisms present in that area help in the digestion of your food, and when your food digests, it makes you feel light, correct? So that is why the human microbiota play an important role in our life. Also, they are used in regulating the mood swings of any human being. It's like if you don't feel good in your stomach, you don't feel like you feel gloomy or you feel irritated. That's because your food has not been digested or you're feeling some kind of acidity in your stomach or something like that. So yeah, this human microbiota plays a key role in the functioning of your total bodily systems. But one more addition to this point is that however the human microbiota can be so helpful for your human system to function, but anything and everything in excess can also be harmful for your body, correct? And how is this human microbiota being harmful suddenly? It was first of all helping you and helping the bodily functions, but now I'm telling you, I'm contradicting my statement and telling you all that the human microbiota can also be harmful. And how does this change happen? Like when it's helping you, how it's causing an harm? That's an adverse effect. It's causing an adverse effect. It is behaving very strangely than its usual behavior, correct? It's not performing its function properly. And why is it so? That's because certain changes occur in the microorganisms living inside your body. And how does this change occur? In your human system, how does the microorganisms starts to change its function? It's because due to the kind of food we eat, the diet we follow, the surroundings we live in, the people or the animals that we interact with, and also there are certain kind of medications which also plays an important role in changing of this normal human microbiota. Relationship of microorganisms and humans is such that we have a kind of give and take relationship wherein the microorganisms take care of your bodily functions and help you to be more healthy and function in a good manner. Um, you in turn have to take care of those microorganisms. And how can you do it? You need to just follow three main steps and three very easy steps. So these steps are: follow a healthy diet, drink plenty of water, and most important, you need to have an active life. That means that you need to work out regularly. Your body needs some movement, it needs some activeness. It's in the maintaining your healthy human microbiota, and it in turn is going to help you only. There is no side effects for all that. So yeah, eat healthy, work out good, and have plenty of water. Drinking water should always be a conscious decision of yours, wherein you're reminding yourself that you have to drink water at any cost. Correct? And also, when you follow all these three steps, you will notice that your life is changing. You're becoming more happier, you're living a happy lifestyle, a healthy lifestyle. And when you follow this, you are also avoiding many diseases such as obesity. You're also avoiding asthma and many more diseases associated with not having a healthy and a balanced lifestyle. Correct? So yeah, all I could summarize from today's video is always have a give and take relationship with microorganisms. You also need to take care of them. When they are doing their part, you also need to do your part to take care of them, so that your body functions in a proper manner, and it will just help you and your body to be healthy and happy. I hope you all will like today's video, and if you did, please do not forget to click the thumbs up, comment down below, and also if you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button that is present on the right of your screen. It will mean the absolute world to me. So till next time, stay healthy and see you guys.